Okay, NOCl is a yellow gas, right? This actually is a yellow gas. Yep, this is yellow gas. Anyway, can be formed between nitrile chloride and nitric acid, all right, nitric oxide I mean. Okay, so this shows how the pressure NO2Cl varies with time, so which is actually a reactant NO2Cl. Okay, what could the changes be made to the system at T1, T2 and T3, all right? Okay, over here, let's take a look. If NO2Cl was removed at T1, the graph will look like this. Okay, we'll actually see a deep big drop. If NO2Cl was removed, you see a big drop, but you don't see it on the graph. So definitely, I take it as A and D are wrong already. A and D are actually wrong. Okay, if temperature was decreased, this reaction is actually exothermic. So if you decrease temperature, it will favor the exothermic reaction, because when you decrease temperature, the system wants to increase temperature by producing more heat. It will favor the exothermic, and the position of equilibrium will shift to the right. Okay, and which means imply concentration or the pressure NO2Cl must actually decrease. Okay, it actually will have to decrease. All right, so as it shift to right, so actually it's decreasing. Okay, it's good. So this actually is possible. All right, so NO2, if NO2 was removed, NO2 you take away, you remove NO2, you decrease it. So by LCP, equilibrium wants to shift to right, so NO2Cl will also decrease. So this is actually feasible. So okay, I put them, both of them are feasible. Okay, let's look at T2. Okay, T2, you can see the graph goes up like that. I'll say this is wrong already. All right, why? NO2Cl was added, the graph will have to show it's like going up. There must be a line that goes up. Okay, it was added. Okay, but you don't see that line, means this is wrong. Okay, so which means which means actually that leads us to only one answer, which is C. Okay, but let's run through the whole of entire C. Okay, temperature was increased. When increased temperature, it will favor endo. All right, so favor endo means your position equilibrium will shift left. Okay, favor the endo, right, shift left. Okay, so pressure of NO2Cl will actually increase, so it does go up over here, so this is correct. Okay, over here you can see there's a bump up, so this was added, which is true. Okay, so yeah, so the answer should be C.